great job so far,
They
though.
have, but I'm sure officers
Yeah.
are thinking too, okay, what's it gonna take for this guy to stop?
Yeah, that may be in the works down the road. I mean, you see how it is traveling slow enough at this point, and how perfectly CHP was able to, telegraph all three of those spike strips with no problem at all. All three of them hit at least a couple of tires. I think this is only the third or fourth time I've ever even seen CHP using spike strips. Besides the